Oh man, I just hiccuped and almost threw up my Kool-Aid.
That's disgusting.
That would have been a bad look.
Don't mind me in my 3 kills so far. My mouse is lagging like crazy. Don't mind me in my 4 kills so far.
Ooh, easy ace.
Oh my god.
Hey, good start.
Oh, hello there!
Yikes.
I'm really surprised I got that one.
To your doorway.
What are you doing on computer?
Okay, that's good.
1v2, about 30 seconds left. Last time he was actually...
All friendlies were eliminated. Mission failure.
Wow, that was really lucky.
The diffuser has been secured.
He's just gonna come after me. Yep. Care plus it.
Gotcha, bitch!
That
was a pretty good episode of Bachelor, my guess.
Yeah. There's 2 on that ping. A shield and someone else.
It's down to 3. There's 3 girls left.
Did you hear our idea for the Fatchular?
The Fatchular?
Yeah, it's just Bachelor, but
One
people are
friendly
fat.
Wow, how did that reach me?
There's that, and the other difference is
All
instead of the
friendlies
rose
were
or whatever they
eliminated.
give him
Mission
a turkey leg. Any idea of a good place to fuse the floor?
Yeah, boy.
Well, right there was good.
You can
so.
fuse over here.
What is he doing? Oh my god. We both suck ass.
10 seconds to insertion.
You make me sick.
5 seconds.
I am carrying a few
Be
diseases, so I
advised, Op 4
apologize.
has found a bomb. Bomb located by Op 4.
I'm still sick with the swine flu, actually.
Are you down with the sickness?
I have that.
Legitimately.
Yeah, he's
feel
got
like it.
swine flu. No one's had swine flu for like 7 years.
No, I remember I think I went on vacation in like 8th grade or something like that, and I was gone for a while. And I think I told like Dominique Walcott that I had the swine flu or something like that. And she like went and told Mr. Leitner and a couple other teachers. When I got back, they're like, "Oh my god, are you okay?"
Yes,
like,
the swine flu.
It was like a year after it happened or something like that.
Nani?
Oh fuck, I should just stop walking around.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
I'm trying to give this guy his ace. Yes!
Is that a pro cap cam we have at our lobby?
Mm-hmm. I think you're about to see some plays you never seen before.
Obviously, dude.
Hold on to your belts.
This is a professional Spetsnaz. He's actually a retired
An
Spetsnaz
ex-KGB,
operative.
I'm Vladimir Putin.
Sounds like there's one in bathroom.
Injured one outside this window here. Yeah, they're here.
I'm gonna ping him.
Wait, how do
oh,
I
actually,
kill...
no, I'm not.
Wait, I just got a double kill by accident.
More like cold inadequate, am I right?